you a loan officer who's struggling to navigate the shifting market that we're in? Maybe you don't know where to start, you want to give up, you're not sure if this is the business for you. My name is Ashley Courville, and I am a next level loan officer coach. Are you interested in trying to figure out if we're a good fit for you? What's the next step in your business? How do we get going from where we are to where we want to be? I can help you. I'm a master at implementing things. I'm not super creative. I cannot come up with things on the fly. What I can do is implement fast. And that differentiates me from somebody else who's looking to grow their business. I will help you figure out what you want to do and how to get it implemented quickly so you can see results in this shifting market that we have found ourselves in. I'd be happy to work with you. Reach out to me if you think I'd be a good fit. I'm excited for where 2023 is going to take us.